Hello, Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome back to my channel, Noah. And hari ni kita akan main game Fierce to Phantom, Iron Bug. And hari ni aku tak bersorangan. Aku ditemani oleh dua kawan aku. Sebab dia orang nak tengok gameplay aku main. Bukan sebab aku takut. Aku tak takut. Guys, come on lah. Game macam ni aku tak takut lah, come on. Aku akan ditemani oleh dua kawan aku sebab dia nak tengok gameplay aku. Reaction aku main game ni. Aku harap korang enjoy video aku ni. Korang boleh tekan like, comment and share. And subscribe channel aku untuk tandakan korang support aku punya channel aku ni. And yeah, enjoy lah. Jaga amat tadi aku dah eja 1.5 kan. So okey dah sebenarnya. Excited. Full Creek Trail, Iron Bug River Viewpoint. 1.5 lah akhirnya kembali untuk episod keempat tu. Fierce to Phantom, Iron Bug Lookout. Moon? Nampak?
Ya. Nampak.
Ida nampak?
Nampak.
Okay, nampak. Dengar dia punya ni. Dengar?
Dengar.
Okay, dengar.
Ush.
Okay, dah. Okay.
Takutnya.
Ni episod
Ya
keempat tu.
Ni yang mana
Ni yang keempat, Dia duduk kat rumah api.
Tahu. Oh ya.
Okay. Fierce to Phantom. Okay, dah tahu dah semua. Ni episod keempat. Episod 5 akan datang. Estimate orang main 2 jam.
2 jam.
2 jam satu game ni. Tengok dia motor aku
Oh.
speed run tengah jam ke? Mana tahu. Cepat tukar. Sufi, baca Sufi. Moon, baca
May
Moon.
12.
Baca.
Hey, I noticed you were requesting story. Submission what I was watching YouTube play Fierce to Phantom. Carson House. What I'm about to recount happened when I was 24 or so at the time. Mana dah. It feels kind of weird telling anyone about this because of the apa ni, bizarre
Bizarre.
absurd bizarre nature of the whole thing. I feel like doing so might help me process my memories of it. Panjangnya. I think that sharing this story anywhere else would be a dumb idea because people would say I was lying. Okay? As I'm writing this was the scariest experience of my life. Wow.
Okay, oh nama dia Jack Nelson.
Nelson. A small job as a park ranger in a state park. I was a fire lookout stationed in one of the largest forests in the Pacific.
Northwest.
Tak sebut
Northwest.
No.
Miles and miles of dense forest managed by the Forestry Service. I had a salary that allowed me to make ends meet, but I couldn't afford to treat myself to restaurants, nice clothes and etc. My biggest accomplishment so far was being able to buy an RV for myself with a lot of financial help from my dad. So gaji dia ciput lah. Kais pagi makan pagi lah. Kais petang makan petang.
Ya, betul.
Sedih lah macam aku. The RV was the only sense of home I had at the time. Orang putih ni kan, orang susah, tapi diorang ada RV.
Agak
So diorang boleh duduk kat dalam RV. Bagi aku tu lagi jimat satu dah duduk dalam RV. This one time I was transferred from one outpost to another because of some official circumstances. It was a minor inconvenience to me though, since I live out of my RV and like travelling. I said a few goodbyes and I was off to the new location. It was about a 2-hour drive. Baik tu.
Wow, dia macam.
Oh dah start.
Drive no, drive. Yeah, drive.
Dah.
Bawa kereta elok-elok lah.
Tering berat.
Jalan.
Baca message.
Wait, man.
Tengah
Tahu lagu dia.
I live a very solitary life. Did you pass
Can you
around?
pass your speed?
No, why? It helps quiet my mind, keep the memories active.
Tengah
Dia drive sambil message tu.
Alah, macam aku tak baca mesej sampai dah.
Cuk, steering sebelah tu kena dengan gaung tepi ni. Elite lah sikit tu.
Cuba jatuh gaung. Apa jadi? Aku salin ke? Wih.
Allah.
Jiwa. Jangan bawa perangai Melayu kat US.
Nanti kena tembak. Remember that this time Diner
Kau
was
boleh
passing
sedap
road,
pilih.
but I have the burgers in town. You have to try them out. Sedap. Ya mah.
Dia sakit diam lah.
Tahu kan kau. Ni orang chat ni.
Okay.
Kau ni chat aku. Tengah drive ni.
Punya apa tu? Oh.
Ni RV.
I saw what Dina Kayla was talking about.
Oh, kedai yang Kayla apa ni? Recommend.
Langgar. Macam mana parking?
Sorry bang.
Hey,
Nampak.
baiklah.
Tak nampak tu, sorry tu.
Kau ni tanya nak ambil lesen nanti.
Oh shit.
Eh.
Asal dia punya
La
steering
ilaha
berat tu. Berat tu. Kau tengok dia pusing. Pusing sikit je. Pusing lah habis.
Aziz kan? Bukannya kancil. Kancil berat kat sini.
Kita bagi ni. Tok Samira pun. Samira pun tak nampak belakang.
Parking nak lock tu
Samira tak nampak belakang. Betul lah ni.
PW parking kang PW. Fierce to Phantom. Dah parking laut.
Okey lah. Parking dia okey.
Masuk kota
Asal frame drop?
tak?
Okey dah.
Tengok sistem yang parking kan.
Aku parking ni tengok ni. Baik tau.
Ya.
Apa? Parking ni.
Mana boleh. Terlebih tu.
Asal frame drop tu? Apa tak best.
How's that burger? Why are you
How's the burger? This little piece of
This
heaven.
little piece of heaven.
Baca. Kau baca.
Tak baca.
Besar muka dia.
Alia baca.
This little piece of heaven. This place is pretty much my weekend spot. You know around here.
I'm a new staffer at Ayam Bak State Park.
Jangan.
Bukan aku yang main.
You must have heard the news then.
Berita apa?
Well, a few weeks ago, 3 kids went missing in the park. It's been all over the news.
What happened to them?
Ayo, no one know. The official report says they got lost, but a lot of people around here think something else happened.
Something else? Are you sure about
There's a
that?
rumor going. That a creature got them. Wow. Menarik.
A creature?
Creature? Yeah, you know, like Bigfoot or a goatman. People say there's something like that living in that forest.
Something like
Do you believe it?
A lot of hikers and campers go missing
Ariana Grande.
Wow. in that forest. Hilang. Some of them come back with stories you would not believe.
Damn.
Wow. Ush, ada sound ni. Some of them never come back. Lakar lah.
Where are you headed?
Dia kata dia bakal burger.
I'm
I'm
from
from Rosberg. This place is pretty much my weekend spot.
Oh, lepak lah.
What about yourself? Have a safe journey.
Makan.
Maaf dia makan duduk.
Duduk kat sini tu, terang tu. Baik tu.
Mana burung?
Weh, ni frame drop tu.
Game haru ni.
Dia harap. Allah!
Wish, dekat.
Bang, kak jauh sikit kak.
Curaya.
Welcome to TV
How are you
today.
doing?
Good, how about you? Did you like Abby right?
I believe.
Kak, dekat sangat kan kak, jauh sikit. Dekat lu.
Lakar lah.
Sekejap. Mesti kak lagi. Kak.
Please take a seat. I'll be right with you.
It's been like that for a while now.
Why
Ever
now?
since the highway bypass this town, things have been pretty slow. That's a shame. It seems like a nice place.
I suppose. You point me to the restroom.
Could you?
Mesti nak kita tandas terus.
It's right over there.
It's right.
Thank you.
Uish, macam tu je. Dia bawa customer ni.
Oh, ni tandas. Tandas ni.
Oh,
Stop itu. Kak, jangan tengok kak. Kak, jangan tengok kak. Stop itu.
Waida, suka Waida.
Flash dulu.
mana tu?
Tangan.
What the heck?
Kejut je.
Tak nak.
Benda.
Apa?
Damn.
Oh, sebab tak ada orang tengok tadi. Long day of driving, huh? Where are you headed? I'm heading up north to make a delivery. What about you? Aku staff baru. So is it true? Whatever they say happened to those kids the other day? What? I need to go. I can't even imagine what the parents must be going through. It's every parent's worst nightmare. You look a little lost. Just tired. This place has some great coffee if you are in the mood for
Kenapa
one.
dia minum macam tu?
As you can see, I usually go for vanilla latte.
Well, yes.
So where are you headed?
Dia minum benda dagu.
Project at nearby. That's great. I didn't know that there's jobs that existed.
What do you do?
What do you do? I work in
Aku ada
finance.
imajinasi.
I am a financial analyst for a big firm downtown.
Wow.
Oh,
Big firm downtown.
that sounds interesting. Yeah, it's challenging but I enjoy it. It keeps me busy. That's for sure. Impressive. Yeah, I guess so. I can be a bit roller coaster sometimes, but I don't hate what I do.
Dah lah minum. Tak dagu. Akak kami
Tu lah.
minum. Ada yang
What's the food? Do you mind if I join you? Itu
Do you
lang
mind if I
dia
join
buat
you?
aku. He just stare at me. Abang ni introvert.
Please leave me alone. Wah, sombong eh. Sombong kau.
Oh, kita staff ke?
Tak, kita ni.
Semua.
Uh-uh.
Wah,
Good
Barbara.
evening. I'm a Barbara. Are you ready to order? Yes. So what can I get for you today?
Wow.
Cheeseburger with fries.
Aku nak burger.
Burger.
Aha,
fries.
our burger is the best in the West.
Strawberry.
Could you drink like anything?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Tapi brother cakap tadi
Kau sih.
kopi tu sedap.
Okay, kopi.
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 Kopi lah. Perfect. Anything else?
Perfect. Anything else? Apa lagi dia? Kau ni tak payah main filter.
That will be all. Thank you. Okay, I bring the food out as soon as it's done. Just let me know if you need anything else. Masih.
Naik komplain lah.
Masih. Wih.
Makan.
Price dulu.
Lagi.
Macam doa. Weh, dia makan terus.
Dia bukan Islam.
Apa makan je tu?
Weh, Tadakimasu.
Burger pula.
Aku nak buat
Ui.
ayam karaage. Dia kerja pagi petang.
Thailandnya
So yeah, going
So,
over it.
do you
Until
eat
still eating.
everything?
This is so good. Sedap Kayla. Baik tu.
tak ada
Pagi lah. Tahu tak?
Weh, kau ni sos tak
Kenapa?
makan.
Tak makan sos lah. Tak ni.
Konteks.
Told you. Hehe. This food reminds me. You should send me that casserole receipt you were talking about. I might get a chance to immerse myself in the activity. Huh?
Weh,
Jadi food.
tiba tanya gitu.
Sedap. Would you like anything to get the check? Check please. Okay, I'll be right back. Thanks. Hey.
Dang.
Oh yeah, I'm on my way
Wow, yeah.
home. Send you in a bit. Dah.
Bukan cik Kelantan ke dia?
Tak boleh bangun ni.
Sabar lu.
Oh, check. Yes, the paycheck.
What's the
You are
check?
sick.
Cik point six.
Nak bagi tips lah.
Apa ni? Dollar.
Dulu.
15.
59. Kita bagi lebih lah kak.
Okay.
Hope you enjoy the rest of your ride. Terima kasih.
Wah, kat restoran pun ada tip Apa tu?
Ada orang standar ni.
Ya. Weh, tak tutup.
Khusyuk dia makan. Ui,
Aku tak rasa dia orang.
eh,
Ni
slow
Campo
jap.
Venice.
RV ni.
Ha?
Oh, dia dapat tidur. Bedroom door was friendly jam.
Bathroom door stream. Hah? Dia buat apa?
Jam?
Yang bapak.
Tapi asal pintu RV tadi terbuka tu? Kau aku biar buka ni. Asal jam?
Belum tiba masanya kot.
Bukanya.
Ni dia kan ni.
Ya bang, gerak lu bang.
Bagi dia kat
Bang, gerak lu, bang. Tak kena. Nampak?
I was very proud of my driving.
Langkah.
8.2 malam. I want to include the location of this park. But I don't want anyone seeking out the utter horrors I've seen in this world. Oh, ni tempat dia.
Oh yo.
Nak parking. Hai. Aku dah break pulang kak.
Aduh, skill issue.
Okay, ni tempat kerja baru.
Apa
Beri
creepy sangat?
missing person. Oh, ni budak hilang oh.
Real ke ni?
Beri
Gambar.
mysterious. Hugh Jasmine.
Ya.
Ni dah
Nak
macam
research.
Hugh Jackman. Dah macam nama aktor Wolverine lah. Sanita William.
Sanita Williams. Okay, sabar.
Please stay on the trail. Switch back. Shortcutting. Berasa lah.
Enggak ah.
Tak ada orang pun. Patik!
La ilaha illallah.
Oi,
Oi! Kau ni! Buat kerja aku! Anyway, can I see your permit please? Oh, kau Billy kan? I didn't know transfer via lookup. Is that correct? I didn't know you were heading.
Kau limau ni. Alah, tak guna nama betul.
Eh, kau ni. Buat kerja aku. Ada tu. Okay pa, you are good to go. You are staff at Fire Tower 11. Apologize for the confusion. I was under the impression that the tower would left unstaffed for the season, but
Mana?
here are your keys. Please.
Oh dah tadi.
tadi.
Let me open the tailgate for you.
Ya tadi. Ni kelakar lah.
Bang, kalau kau ya pun bang kan, janganlah buat jantung nak cabut. Kan elok 3 orang hilang, ada seorang yang mati. Since you are arriving this late, you might also need this flashlight for the long hike to your lookout. Thank you, Vidi. You be careful.
Ambil.
Oh, dah bagi kita flashlight.
Oh.
Flashlight.
Tapi
Welcome
bateri.
to Ayam Bakpal. Masih. Now for our purposes, when you get to your tower, be sure to make your first weather report for your system, just so we know you clocked in safely. If need be, you can reach out Tower 11 during your surfing. Nice enough, guys. He'll be your closest contact in any case of any emergency. Masih.
Baling.
Hey,
Hey, aku nak tanya ni.
just a piece of advice. Don't travel any further than half a mile or so north of your tower.
Why?
Asal lah.
Eh.
Dangerous food stay away, pal. Aku lagi dangerous.
Bobcat.
Bobcats and bear.
Cik.
Nasty business.
Got it.
Tak silap F. Aku dah agak.
That serious.
Hey brother tu. Buat kejut eh.
Aku nak tanya ni. Creepy sangat sound effect dia.
Dia macam sound effect hantu kat 5 tu. Yang macam Husin balik kan. Balik kampung kan. Lepas tu macam hantu kat 5 yang first tu movie dia. Dia punya-
Tak ingat ah. Aku
Kan-
bakar.
Oi Frame drop. Oh shit. Berat sangat. Takkan game sini berat kot. Aduh, letup. Aduh. Oh kira dah. Oh, boleh shift. Shift dulu. Oh no.
Gari. Ada dua jalan tu.
Oh, Tower 11 ni. Kita punya kat sini. Kita pergi sini.
Aduh,
Lagi,
cuba
lagi.
dia hacker. Kau kena
Corners for the outdoor.
berjalan.
Check.
Wow, generator.
Oh, betul lah. Aku main tekan generator. Oh, aku perasan.
Naik.
Sekejap. Explore dulu.
Oh,
Okay, tu tempat ni. Pandai.
masuk.
The door was open.
Tutup.
Boleh sorok dalam ni.
Oh, sorok.
Ayuk. Biar ada mic pula tu.
Oi, mic aku dah detect background.
Ah,
Kencing lagi.
Biasa.
Kau kencing hari ni.
oh, boleh detect background. Hello.
Buka semua. Just in case.
Yes.
Selalu langsir macam ni boleh tunduk. Aku dah tahu dah mekanik game ni macam mana.
Oh, baru nampak. Oh, isi ada katil.
Fire department.
Fire department. Oh, ada pizza.
So selalu guna api. Buat panas ni.
Wow.
Okay, stok dah ada, stok.
Macam ada putih kot atas ni. Kalah RV dia.
Wah. Radio equipment was sitting on the wooden table.
Oh. Cepat balik dah.
Ida, tolong Ida.
Buat coding. Oh,
Password.
yo, password dia apa?
Password.
Password dia mesti ada bagi kat mana.
Dia cari pula.
Iron Bar State Park close. Fire department. Iron Bar Tower number 11.
11.
Betul.
Menarik.
Aku pernah tengok orang main game ni. So try ingat balik.
Besar agak.
Wah,
Oh,
boleh zoom.
Dalam game ada.
Ni bukan game ni, peta.
Ya.
Welcome to Ironbark State Park. If you're watching this video, then let me be the first to say, congratulations!
The heck?
You have been commissioned by the Ironbark Fire Department to protect one of the most prestigious parks in the state of Washington.
Ah,
Established in 1890.
A few moments later.
Have a great season out there on the.
okay. Tu je. So dia kata kena buat report.
Ya.
Nice. Oh, tu tahu 12.
Oh.
So tu je lah. Tengok sekejap apa lagi. Survey reporting. Oh ni nanti nak kena report ni. Temperature.
New guy, haven't gotten your name yet. What is it again?
Siapa ni?
I'm Connor. Fire Tower 12.
Connor.
Saw your light turn.
Oh.
Oh,
You watching?
sibuk lah dia ni. I'm
Wait,
Connor.
I
Fire
saw
12.
it.
I saw your light turn on. Oh, I thought I was going to be out here.
I've had to cover your area until you arrived.
You are never alone in this woods. I had to cover your area until you arrive. Oh, thank you.
So what
I
is it?
suppose. So where is it?
What?
What? Your name? Oh. Nama gua Jack. Jack Nasir.
What brings you to this?
Tapi lu
towering
boleh
paradise?
boleh panggil gua Roy.
Itu pula.
Anyway, what bring you to this towering paradise of ours?
Dia tired.
Just looking for a change. I'm a transfer from Ayah house.
Experienced comrade. I can see why Mitch picked you. You got a fire going?
No?
You're lit. The temperature is about to plummet.
You
You don't want to sit through the storm shivering.
Got it. Thanks.
I don't see the smoke. Did you light it up yet? Wood stove should be around the entrance. Get her lit.
Tak ada. Tak ada ni tu. Kayu api.
No firewood. There must be plenty in the shack. That's all Marley did.
Marley?
The staffer who was in the lookout before you.
Oh.
She was one gritty woman.
Oh.
Anyway, you better get that fire going.
Anyway, you better
You don't
get
wanna
the
sit through
fire
the storm.
going. You don't want to sit through the storm.
Gasoline must be in your cabin, but if not, you can always grab your supplies from the storage shack.
Okay. Understand?
Dia selin. Tak nampak tadi.
Ni, ke sini.
Oh.
Oh, ni yang kayu dia.
Dia buat satu.
Aku rasa banyak ni. Tapi dia kecil-kecil. Bapak leceh kan nak angkat satu. Kalau aku angkat banyak. Pasal tu aku letak dekat luar ke tepi kan. Saya turun-turun. Kan aku cakap banyak. Need to light it up.
Terus.
Open through.
Ke MB2.
Kat tu. Right click open. Oh,
Oh.
oh kena ada gasoline.
Bom terbakar.
Tak terbakar pun.
Oh, mati api tu.
Ah, I see it. I see the smoke.
Nampak ah?
Ya.
Is the sea tower 11 alive again?
Ya tu.
Report for the night yet?
Did you report for the night yet? Sabar.
Weh. Ni kapit terbakar.
Alamak, tersangkut. Oh, okey ada.
Kau buat kembali ke mana?
Sabar.
Did you report for the night yet?
No, let me get to it.
Here at Ironbark, you are required to report every night before signing off. You don't want to disappoint Mitch on your first night.
Yelah.
Syek report.
Report. So, first kita ni right click.
18.
18. 18. Lepas tu tak silap aku disuruh check temperature kan.
Ya. Macam mana nak nampak?
Oh, boleh klik. The temperature was 46.1.
Oh. Oh wow.
Oh, ni. Okay. 46.1
1,
18.
18.
Cloud Cloud clear. Assist aku menangkan reverse. Kosong, tak ada orang.
Got by
Noah.
Hmm.
Moon dengan PW.
ya.
Eh?
Nama kau.
18. Boleh?
Oh.
Copy, new guy.
Jadi kopi ni guys. Tower 11
I think I'm
kopi.
gonna sign off for the
I
day.
think I'm gonna sign off for the day.
Tower 12,
Signing off. Yeah, good night.
you have a good night, new guy. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Okay. Cakap esok. Oh ni. Oh ni corner. 29. Mawar Moon PW. Tak lampu, kita tidur.
Light off.
I always throw the boat outside before heading to bed.
Ada.
Nyesal aku buka. Eh. Oh tak ada tangga.
Hey.
Aku excited tu game ni. Nak main game ni sebenarnya. Sebab aku tengok review yang aku pernah tengok dulu orang main ni paling seram orang kata. Tapi aku tak ingat macam mana
Oh.
dia punya alur cerita dia. Unintelligible.
Bakal.
Oh. Mana?
Aduh. Kita andai pula.
Anda pula. Oh, my first night being out of my cabin gave me a strange feeling. Being left here alone was somewhat unsettling. Tak boleh turun pun. Macam mana?
Oh. Main flashlight kau.
Tak boleh pun turun.
Kenapa kau turun tak bawa flashlight?
Nak kena ke? Flashlight aku pun hilang. Oh ni. Okay. Tak boleh pun.
Macam kau terjun ni.
Terjun lah, kenapa aku terjun? Kau kata nak pergi kencing.
Tidur balik ke?
Tak Eddie takut. I always make sure door is locked before I head to bed.
Hai.
Night one. Tak jadi kencing.
Hai.
Okay. Oh, right click. Oh.
Wow. Sunrise.
Weh, tengok sunrise tu. Sunrise ke sun? Take foto.
Sunrise. Oh yo, tu ada burung.
Boleh zoom ah.
Cepat. Ada burung.
Burung. Okay, gini.
Oh, yeah.
Minum lagi. Tak silap aku kamera ni nanti nak tangkap ada orang buat itu lah. Lebih cantik sikit lah. Macam mana? Tengok apa-apa ni lah ni.
Cek. Oh yo, nampak tower sebelah.
Dia nampak cantik sikit. Estetik. Kira.
New guy, you copy? This is Connor from Tower 12. You copy?
Asyik corner je bercakap.
Tower 11, do you copy?
Copy.
Son of a bitch!
Ui.
Ui. Excuse me.
Nobody bothers to get a camping permit these days anymore. Do you have eyes on the smoke north of your position?
Sekejap aku tengok sekejap. Dia kata ada smoke. Oh tu.
Oh tu.
The smoke was
I need you
right.
to confirm. Do you see that smoke up north?
Asal zoom ada teropong lah.
Zoom. Ada.
Terbuka ni pula.
You spot that white smoke up north? It appears to be
nampak.
the trail sector, which is not a registered campsite.
Oh.
People like that don't bother to clean up after themselves. Fire risks are high this season. Mind checking it out?
Yes, do you have any other detail?
No additional information at the moment. Just follow Lacey Trail. Keep an eye out for any signs of a campfire or any potential hazards along the way. Stay safe out there.
Okay.
Don't forget to carry your bear spray in these woods, new guy.
Spray beruang.
Over and out.
Over and out. Spray beruang.
Beruang. Wow. Menarik.
Macam mana spray tu wahala beruang ke apa? Mana? Ni ke? Oh, dia ada gambar beruang.
Itu.
Oh, boleh ni.
Jangan ni.
Sekejap. Just in case kan. Tak nak bagi beruang masuk.
Oh, boleh bawa satu item je
Spray tempat ni. Tak nak bagi beruang datang.
Habis kan.
Aku rasa ikut jalan ni. Jalan bawah ni. No
Tak
sir,
dapat
no.
tunjuk ke?
No sana kan. Apa boleh kita
Baby.
hiking dulu. Pabatan beruang lah dia. Mana? Oh, hilang ah.
Ada ke?
Oh, dekat. Ada lagi. 8:37. Boleh follow dia. Lah, tadi maghrib tu. Bukan pagi.
Lah.
Wih. Aku dengar orang jerit tu.
Kau nampak ke kau dengar?
Dengar. Aku dengar.
Dengar.
Aku cakap nampak tadi.
Pelik. Mana orangnya?
Oh, sini ada line. Oh, patut orang camp sini. Sini ada line. Tower 11. Frequency. Vivo my tower. Oh, cantik tu. Nice tu. Sempat pula tengok ni. Ambil parang ni boleh tak? Oh, parang ni Ellie boleh letak lagi.
Wih.
Aku dengar ada whistle. Kau dengar?
Kau nak masuk ke dengar?
Siapa tu? Kau keluar sekarang. Bila aku jab ke kau?
Berani.
Di tempat larangan tau. Kau nampak ni? Aku spray nanti.
Weh.
Aku pagar. Dah kena buat apa ni? I hate to put it up.
Spray.
Oh ni. I had to get water. Put it up.
Ambil air pula.
Oh, kena padamkan api sebab dia kata kan ni kan, tempat campsite yang tak ada permit, kemungkinan besar boleh terbakar hutan ni.
Oh, tak ada pun. Tak nampak pula.
Mana spirit aku tadi? Mana. No camping. Ni kat sini tengah tulis no camping.
Biasalah manusia.
Aku dengar step. Oi. Kau belah. Aku spray kat muka kau.
Eh.
Aku
Dah
9.
malam.
So tadi kita gerak pukul 7. Sejam dah berjalan. As I hike back to my tower through the dark, I couldn't shake the sense that something was terribly wrong. My mind could help but think that what might have happened. Apa jadi tu? Oh ni. Jom. Gerak balik.
Pergi tanda dulu.
Pagar.
Eh. La ilaha illallah.
Okay, aku dah pagar. Okay, report. Corner, kopi. Corner.
Corner.
Loud and clear, new guy. I was just cooking myself some hot... Well, first, what's your status? Are you kidding me?
Tu lah.
Son of a bitch.
Tai tu.
They never learn, do they?
Belajar apa?
What do
Betul-betul.
you mean?
I'm sick of these bastards. It's unbelievable.
Still happening a lot.
This month alone.
Third time.
Wow.
Anything
Dah
else?
3 kali
Tak ada
bulan ni.
faham.
RITA you would not in those wood.
Scream.
Scream.
Ah.
I've been one of those red foxes. They sound pretty much like a screaming lady at night.
Kau pelotak. Kau musang. Pontianak
It was a
Kau yang ngilai bukan mengilai tu. Orang jerit. Dia bukan gelak. Dia jerit.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Pasal suara dia
But
laki.
I heard from the rangers that a lot of campers have been flocking to that area lately because of the disappearance of those 3 kids.
The spirit of the street kid. Oh,
That area?
oh,
About a month
budak tu
ago,
hilang kat situ.
they were hiking with their families. They went off the trail and just vanished. No trace of them since.
Mana? Atas bawah.
Atas.
What does that have to do with camper? What happened to those kids? Dah tak jumpa. Macam mana nak tahu?
Well, people have started spreading rumors that the area might be haunted by some entities. It's crazy, I know. You would think these rumors would scare people off, but apparently it's been the opposite. Sometimes, I only wish they were true. Well, at least now you know why Mitch had to staff Tower 11 urgently. Great.
Glad be of service.
Anyways, thanks for staying vigilant. I gotta contact the authorities so they can take care of this commotion first thing in the morning. We can't tolerate these goons anymore.
Tu
If
lah.
they find them, I'll personally make sure they never set foot in this forest again.
Keep me update.
Will do. Over and out.
Over and out. Macam pro siap. Over and out.
Over and out.
Lepas tu. Oh ni.
Buat report.
Oh, buat report. Saya kena ingat ada line.
Uish, ada line.
Tapi tu no service. I'm so jelly of the view. By the way, look what I got home to. Pizza, pasta, bake. Mom made the same casserole recipe today. Nom. Looking at the photo makes my stomach grow. As a matter of fact, let me try the recipe now. No service. 48.8. Kalau clear, hiker kosong. Tapi aku dengar ada orang jerit tadi. Report Roy. Nama lain.
Uh, uh, uh,
Kat 5.
kelima.
I wasn't sure if the right way definition. Cloud. Okay, nice. So tadi
Tidur.
I was too hungry to go to bed without food. Masak ni lah.
Kan.
Masak ni.
Ya, masuk.
Apa resipi dia? Cook pasta.
Angkut pizza. Marinara sauce.
Pasta. Okay, pasta dah ada. Marinara sauce. Sekejap dah. Ni ke? Ke ni?
Dari mana yang boleh letak?
Ni? Ni.
Oh.
Ni. Tak ni. Bukan Dah rela.
Wow.
Start ni dulu. Oh, letak sos dulu lah.
Tak apa, nanti kacau guys.
Betul kan? Pepperoni. Tu je. Lagi? Kau ada lagi ke? Mana? Tomato tadi mana? Oh ni.
Oh.
Ni.
Lepas tu dia suruh
tak nak dulu lah.
takut ah.
New guy, you there?
New guy,
Ah.
New guy, you copy?
Ya. Sabar.
Wait,
Kona?
Just reported their ass to the authorities.
what did I
Don't
say?
worry, the Forest Service agency will take care of it
Sorry
first
to
thing in
wait.
the morning.
Take care of the first. I'll be first thing in the
That's
morning.
really
That's relieving.
Hope they can track them down and give them a piece of their mind.
Wah.
Tell you what, I think I'm gonna hit the sack now. I know it's been a tough day, but you're doing an excellent job up there.
Thank you, Conan.
Over 12, signing off. Over and out.
Over and out. Oh, besar.
Ui,
Lasagna ke?
gambar.
Kita nak lasagna tu.
Macam ya.
Sekejap.
Weh, kau nak bawa benda tu sampai tidur. Allah.
I like eating in bag. Alah. Suka makan atas katil.
Wah, makan atas katil.
Aku suka makan atas meja dulu. Ellie boleh tengok YouTube.
Makan tengok YouTube. Di mana lah yang tengok YouTube?
It was already full. Kau nak buat apa? Masuk keep it in the refrigerator. Boleh tidur kan? Tidur. I was getting cold. I thought get wood stove. Kayu api pula.
Ni cepat. Ush, tingkap tu terbuka.
Tak ni. Ha, betul. Aduh.
Kau kena letak tingkap dulu.
Aduh. Kecoh lah.
Ya Allah, gelap.
Okay. Tidur. Okay.
Oh.
Wih!
Apa? Tak nampak lah.
Ada orang whistle tadi. Spray. Mana spray ku?
Takkan beruang yang whistle.
Tu. Wih! Spray. Ada spray.
Gelap je.
Mana dia? Dia buat apa tu? Buka. Oi, Pan tau!
Asal. Wow, kenapa mata dia? Lagi buka pintu. Ya,
Kena bunuh, Cok.
Survival skill.
Kita ada spray kan? Spray lah muka dia.
Masalah tu bukan beruang.